Why are we frying the e-wallet? Wala po akong nakikitang participation nila sa e-gambling or whatever.
Yes, but they are the conduit to
But
online
for
gambling.
the
Without
record,
them, walang
for the
online,
record,
hindi
I was the one who suggested.
Hindi po pwedeng magtaya yung mga mata
Ayun.
kung wala yun.
Kaya nga po, ang sinasabi ko, i-suspend nila. Tapos na yun. Pag sinuspend nila lahat, yung link, so wala na pong magbabayad. At the very least, merong provisional tayong nagawa ngayon. May provisional measure that we have done.
Senator Marcoleta, let's just clarify this. Kasi sila yung nagbigay ng pahintulot o lisensya sa mga e-wallets. Pero kasama po ba sa paglilisensya ninyo na pumasok sila sa sugalan, BSP Governor, sir? Did you allow them? I mean, meron po ba kayong go signal to include online gambling sa e-wallets? Did you do that? Kasi ang alam ko po, e-wallet para padala ng pera, di po ba? Bakit po pumayag kayo? I mean, this has been going on for several years now. Pinayagan po ninyo.
Given
Yes,
that
yes or no, sir? Yes or no? Did you?
Yeah.
Did you or did you not? Para malinaw po tayo, may katanungan po Senator Marcoleta. At magtatanong pa po Senator Cayetano, di pa po kami tapos sa PAGCOR. Just
Hindi.
answer yes or no. Pinayagan nyo ba?
Sandali po, hindi pa nasasagot muna yung tanong ko eh. Ay, kayo muna magot sa tanong ko. Kayo po ba ay game developer? Kayo ay enabler, promoter, and marketer ng online games? Kasi
hindi po.
Mr. Chair, parang sila ngayon ang nagigisa eh. That's why I'd like to point out, ano po ba yung limited participation ninyo eh? Kasi ang PAGCOR po ang merong regulatory powers dito eh. Bakit hindi sila yung mauna na mag-regulate? Bakit po yung GCash ang dinidiin natin? Parang nakikita ko, we're all barking on the wrong tree.
Tama po, Senator Marcoleta, ikaw nag-suggest. Ang kasalanan ko, I take all of your suggestions seriously. Na-offend lang po ako na sinagot kasi na wala na yan, wala nang link. Samantalang nung inon ko yung phone ng aking staff, meron pa rin link.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat mga kababayan. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Saan man dago po kayo naroon, sana'y nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. Lalong-lalo na po sa ating mga kababayang OFW sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Saludo po kami sa inyong sipag, tatag at determinasyon para sa inyong pamilya at para sa bayan. At ngayon nga mga kababayan, andito na naman po tayo sa ating panibagong reaksyon sa mga mainit at mga bagong kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Eto mga kababayan, kadugsong pa rin ng ating naunang video kanina na patungkol pa rin ito sa online games mga kababayan. At dito nga medyo umiinit na ang talakayan dito sa ginagawang hearing na ito mga kababayan. At medyo nagkakasagutan na rin dito ang ating mga senador. At eto nga mga kababayan, wag na natin patagalin, panoorin na natin ang video. Pero bago yan, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa ating channel, ay mag-subscribe ka na at click mo na din ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga susunod pa nating video. Paki-like at paki-share mo na din ang video ito sa iba pa nating mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po.
We wanted to protect the public eh. Namamatay na nga yung mga tao eh. Numbers don't lie. These facts, these reports. Ang dami pang hindi nare-report, Mr. Chairman. Kausap ko lang yung isang governor sa isang probinsya dito sa Pilipinas. Sabi niya, halos araw-araw may nagpapakamatay dito, pare. Bakit di natin ma-stop? Again, Mr. Chairman, I'm really sorry. It is not acceptable yung binibigay na sagot kung bakit hindi natin may sara ngayon kung kaya naman. Ngayon, if there's another answer, Mr. Chairman, that would convince this representation na bigyan pa rin ng 24 hours, sige ho, I will agree. But right now, the answers being given to us, Mr. Chairman, hindi ho acceptable. Sorry. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Villanueva. Yes.
Sandali lang po, Mr. Chairman. We'd like to clarify the statement of the BSP representative because very important po yan. Is your statement is within 48 hours, you will ban the apps on the e-wallets or you will ban e-wallets to be utilized by these gambling operators? That's two different things, ha? Kasi yung apps, tanggal lang yan. Ibig sabihin, walang advertising. Pagpunta mo sa GCash, sa PayMaya, hindi na lalabas yun. Pero iba yan sa pinagbabawal nyo ng paggamit ng e-wallets sa pagbayad nitong gaming na ito. Let's clarify that. If you're saying the latter, which is to ban, then I am with you, I support you, and I congratulate you if you can do that. within 48 hours. So let us clarify, Mr. Chairman, ano ba talaga? Yung pagtanggal lang ng advertising apps sa e-wallets or pagtanggal talaga ng e-wallets sa paggamit sa pagpusta dito mga games na ito?
Mr. Chair, dito kay BSP kay Governor. What's your name, sir?
Mamerto Tangonan, Your Honor.
Ba't kinakailangan pa ng isang araw na palugit? 48, ba't kinakailangan pa ng 48 hours? Eh, sabi nga na dito, isang pindot lang yan, tapos nawala na yung apps na yan. Ba't kinakailangan palugit? Para marami pang pwedeng tumaya? Para meron pang mga kukuha ng porsyento sa mga taya na yun?
Mr. Chair,
Sir, I'm
may,
asking
may
him.
I interject?
Sir, excuse me. I want him to answer my question. Senator Rafi finish first. I want him to answer my question, Senator. Isagot lang po yung tanong ko. Ba't kinakailangan ng 48 hours na pwede naman gawin agad-agad? Tulad nga sinabi ni Senator Villanueva and Senator Migs, nagtataka lang kami. At si Erwin nga nagsabi, pag hindi mo makagawa yan in 48 hours, ipokontem ka. Pakipaliwanag. Okay, mabilis lang. Anong proseso ba dapat ang ginagawa para ito ay tuloy na matanggal?
Oo nga naman.
So, Mr.
Yung pinag-usapan
Your Honor, we provided 48 hours because one, as I've mentioned earlier, we want to give time to the SP supervised institutions to take down those in-app links and icons to the online gambling sites. The other reason, Your Honor, is so that we will also provide time for the customers, for the consumers, to withdraw their funds from the online gaming account once they learn that we are already removing the links from the BSI mobile payment applications and websites, Mr. Chair. So within that time, for consumers who may want to take their money out from their online gambling accounts, they may do so, Mr. Chair.
Oo nga mga kababayan. Kasi sa pagkakaalam natin mga kababayan, pwede kasing mag-top up sila doon. Baka may mga naiwan pa silang pondo doon sa mismong site, sa online gaming site. Kasi bago ka makapaglaro doon, base po sa ating naririnig sa ating mga kaibigan, kakilala, kailangan mong mag-top up. So, yung mga talagang regular na naglalaro doon, meron na silang pondo doon na hindi na nila inaalis. Para anytime na gusto nilang maglaro, diretso na. Pag open nila ng application, nandun na, may pondo na sila. Diretso, laro na. Yun yung sinasabi siguro nito ni Sir ng Central Bank. Pero maganda yung tinatanong ni Senator Zubiri. Yun dapat yung masagot talaga ng Bangko Sentral dahil kung ang ipagbabawal lang ba yung paggamit ng apps bilang pagbabayad o tatanggalin lang yung mga advertise dun sa application mismo. Dahil mismo nandun na nakadikit yung mga games nandun na sa system mismo ng application. Pag open mo, hindi lang siya advertisement kasi mismong yung games nandun na. Kaya yun, magandang masagot yung tanong ni Senator Zubiri kung alin ang tatanggalin.
Fine, Mr. Chairman, just to clarify. So what the gentleman from the BSP is saying is bawal na gamitin ang e-wallets for online gambling. We need a categorical statement from you. Bawal or tinatanggal mo lang yung app or bawal na?
We're removing the in-app links po from the
Okay.
from the
Not the use.
websites.
Not the use. Because what happens now if they want to go into a scatter or whatever game and it says there how to pay using PayMaya, GCash, nandun pa yun. So are you telling us you're just taking out the app but you're not taking out the use, being able to use that app wallet to pay the account? Yan ang importante, sir, Mr. Chairman. Mahalaga yun. Laman ng taong bayan. So what is your answer before I will just ask my colleagues? This is very important. Are we going to ban now the e-wallets from being utilized for online gambling payments?
Mr. Chair, before he answers, because I'd like to put this in the proper perspective, this representation was the one who this morning made the suggestion, considering that the PAGCOR and the ICT has yet to do some struggling on how to regulate the online games operators. Ang sabi ko nga, maybe BSP should issue a suspension order to all wallet platforms like Paymaya, GCash, etc., to suspend their links to all online gambling operations. Yun po yun eh. Hindi ko alam na bakit sila po yung parang nagigisa ngayon samantalang they're only I think they have only a very limited participation. Sir, are you a game developer? Are you an enabler? Are you a promoter? Di ba ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, Mr. Chair, mga online game gambling operators?
Senator Marcoleta, let's just clarify this. Kasi sila yung nagbigay ng pahintulot o lisensya sa mga e-wallets. Pero kasama po ba sa paglilisensya ninyo na pumasok sila sa sugalan, BSP Governor, sir? Did you allow them? I mean, meron po ba kayong go signal to include online gambling sa e-wallets? Did you do that? Kasi alam ko po, e-wallet para padala ng pera, di po ba? Bakit po pumayag kayo? I mean, this has been going on for several years now.
Mr. Chair, we allowed them to
Nako.
send funds or to remit funds to legal and
Kaya po, bilisan na po natin. Pinayagan nyo ba sila na maglagay ng gambling? Pinayagan po ninyo.
given
Yes,
that
yes or no, sir? Yes or no? Did you?
Yes.
Did you or did you not? Para malinaw po tayo. May katanungan po, Senator Marcoleta. At magtatanong pa po, Senator Cayetano, di pa po kami tapos sa PAGCOR. Just
Hindi.
answer, yes or no? Pinayagan nyo ba?
Sandali po, hindi pa nasasagot muna yung tanong ko eh. Ay, kayo muna sumagot sa tanong ko. Kayo po ba ay game developer? Kayo ay enabler, promoter, and marketer ng online games? Kasi
hindi po.
Mr. Chair, parang sila ngayon ang nagigisa eh. That's why I'd like to point out, ano po ba yung limited participation ninyo eh? Kasi ang PAGCOR po ang merong regulatory powers dito eh. Bakit hindi sila yung mauna na mag-regulate? Bakit po yung GCash ang dinidiin natin? Parang nakikita ko, we're all barking on the wrong tree. I just made a suggestion this morning that I did not expect na sila yung gigisahin natin. Hindi po sila yung operator eh. Ang kanila, sa akin pong pagkakaunawa, the participation of GCash occurs only at the point where lawful payment facilitation is performed. And GCash has employed stringent regulatory and compliance control. So, bakit sila yung receiving end? Ito lang naman ang punto. Let us be very reasonable here. Don't be harsh on anybody. Yung PAGCOR ang uunahin natin dito. Sila yung nag-breakdown ng regulation. If they cannot regulate their own accredited and approved online game operators, at sinasabi nila ngayon dito, Mr. Chair, ang problema yung pong mga illegal. Bakit hindi po nyo puntahan ng mga platforms, Mr. PAGCOR? Eh, ang mga platforms, kabisado naman natin kung sino-sino sila. Eh, can you not go to them in the first place with the help of DICT? Doon kayo magsimula. That's the first layer. And then go back to your legal or illegal. Tingnan nyo kung meron silang KYC measures to protect the public. Why are we frying the e-wallet? Wala po akong nakikitang participation nila sa e-gambling or whatever.
Yes, but they are the conduit to
But
online
for
gambling.
the
Without-
record,
walang
for the
online,
record,
hindi
I was the one who
pwede-
suggested.
Hindi po pwedeng magtaya yung mga mata
Yan.
kung wala yung...
Kaya nga po, ang sinasabi ko, i-suspend nila. Tapos na yun. Pag sinuspend nila lahat, yung link, so wala na pong magbabayad. At the very least, merong provisional tayong nagawa ngayon. May provisional measure that we have done. But let us not naman fry people.
Let me answer.
Mr. Chair.
Bakit nag-isa? Yeah.
Senator
Let me,
Cayetano
with
then
your
Senator
permission, dahil ako
Ontiveros.
ako po yung medyo uminitulo. First and foremost, tama po, Senator Marcoleta, ikaw nag-suggest. Ang kasalanan ko, I take all of your suggestions seriously. Na-offend lang po ako na sinagot kasi na wala na yan, wala nang links. Samantalang nung inon ko yung phone ng aking staff, meron pa rin link. And because nga, I found it lack of political will na July 5 kinonsulta pa rather than then. Secondly, sir, the thing is I have received information, complaints from very, very reliable, in fact, players to, that yung ibang e-wallet, hindi ko sasabihin kung sino, later on kasi imbitahin naman ni Chairman Tulfo, sinabi niya kanina, that pati sa illegal, ginagamit yung e-wallets at kulang ang ginagawa nila. Ang PAGCOR does not regulate the e-wallets. It is central bank. Having said that, it is a bigger problem. So anyway, we'll leave it there and we will go now to PAGCOR. So with that, pasensya ka na, Senator Marcoleta, we're not passing the blame to central bank, but we're sharing the blame with I share the blame with all of you. Dapat talaga nung pinasa yung PAGCOR law, tinanggal kasi dito sa Senate yung yung internet. Nakaban yun talaga nung 2007 law. Diba? Kaya hindi ko masisi si Chairman Al kasi wala sa batas ngayon na bawal ang internet. Nilalagay namin ni Joel Villanueva yun sa pero tinanggal dito sa Senate. Anyway,
Mr. Chairman, if I may just very quickly, no. And I share the sentiments of my dear colleague Senator Alan Cayetano. In fact, every time we talk about PAGCOR's charter, Section 10 of PD 1869, yung PAGCOR charter as amended gives PAGCOR authority to operate and license gambling casinos, gambling clubs, and other similar recreation or amusement places, gaming pools. Wala dito yung online, di ba? Hindi natin na yan. But
No,
I will go to that
tayo
later.
sa House, nilagay natin yon.
I remember
Sa
that.
BICAM, natanggal dito sa
Yes.
Senate. But at that
Yes.
time, hindi pa naman natin alam yung
Yes.
apps, hindi pa
Yes.
natin alam yung Paymaya,
Yes.
GCash.
I remember that, Senator Cayetano. And just to put on record, Mr. Chairman, just like Senator Marcoleta, I share the same thing. I have nothing against e-wallets, etc. It's just that ginagamit sila eh. But it appears that na hindi nagagawa ng regulating body yung dapat niyang gawin. Kanina, uminit din yung ulo ko dahil hindi ko po alam. And I'd like to put this on record because I didn't know these mechanisms. No? Yung, for example, naglagay na pala ng pera yung mga kababayan natin. Hindi ko alam yun eh. So ngayon ko lang narinig. Have I heard it kanina? Kaya may 48 hours. Hindi ako sasamaan loob eh. Now that you mentioned it, para maprotektahan na yung mga naglagay at makalabas sila, then I understand and I will share now the position of the chair
Yes.
na
Senator
bigyan sila,
Risa's bill,
time pa. So just put
actually,
that on record, Mr. Chair.
yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Senator Risa's bill actually includes the ban. So tama yung tanong po ni Senator Migs na, sir, when will the central bank decide whether on your own, under the law, you can do that now eh. Mamaya kasi, Mr. Chair, I will show, and yun doon ako papunta sa question ko kay Chairman Al, na sa isabong kasi nakita din natin yung difference ng may betting station at saka yung nagagamit yung e-wallets. So I'm not pressuring the central bank, sir. It's just sinusundan ko lang yung question ni Senator Migs. Have you decided or it's still under consideration whether ipagpabawal ang paggamit ng e-wallet? And let me explain why ha. In the casino, part of know your client, 'di ba? Kapag ka nagka-gambling addiction 'yan, the family member can call the casino and can tell them, Mr. Cruz or Mr. De La Cruz or Mr. Santos has a gambling, hindi ka na pwede doon, 'di ba? And may limit din yung dala mong pera and may limit din yung ATM na pwede mong gastusin. But if you can use your credit cards and your e-wallets for online gaming, and then if it's hitting yung masa, so yung katulad ng kwento ni Becoming Filipino si Kulas, 'di ba? He was in a jeep, every stop naglo-load ng 50 pesos, 'di ba? So,
Grabe.
yes sir, hindi kayo ang operator, pero if it's just like banks. Why do we have the anti-money laundering law? Hindi naman yung bangko ang naglo-launder eh. Pero nagiging conduit ng laundering. Kaya kapag ka may bangko na nag-launder ng ngayon, ipipinalize nyo. So kung nagiging conduit ngayon yung e-wallets, sa laki ng kita nila, they don't need this. This is just additional transaction to them. Sir, baka yun ang so just answer that question, but in the next hearing, can you give us data sa kita ng e-wallets? How much ang kita nila yung day-to-day transactions, whether kuryente, tubig, grocery, in general,
Okay
at
yun sa sugal.
magkano yung sa online, sa gaming, ho, di ba? So is the central bank considering that or hindi na? Tapos na yung regulations niya?
Your Honor, the suspension of the in-house links from the mobile apps is a immediate measure while we are finalizing the
Okay, so you're discussing it.
regulations on regulating
Okay.
the
So you're
use of
discussing
payment
that part
services.
kasi mas mabigat nga yung part na yon, whether they can use it or not.
Yes.
And I assume you'll be monitoring this hearing and the inputs para makita nga yun, no?
Yes.
And you will include credit cards. Can you include credit cards?
Yes, Mr. Yes,
Yeah,
Your Honor,
kasi-
that credit cards are included among those that we will prohibit to use to
Yes, kasi pag
pay
tinanggal mo sa Paymaya GCash, tapos magkaroon naman ng site ang Visa, Mastercard, American Express, di ganun
Nako.
din lang, di ba? Yeah. So, Chairman Al, dahil maraming magtatanong, no, yung una kong punto kasi dun sa physical casinos nga, may opt-out ang mga city eh. So whether Tagaytay yan or Batanes or ano, di ba? Pero dito sa online, yun ang problema namin. Na one, wala naman distance from the church and the school. So theoretically, yung guardian ng school can be in the CR pag walang nakatingin at naglalaro. Ang
Tama.
church, pwedeng nagpe-praise the Lord kami, yung pala yung katabi namin, tumama na pala sa bingo or sa scuttle or whatever, no? So, are you studying this regulation? Oh, so if a city wants to opt out of online, can we ask the ICT to take out the online from our city? I'm just asking, have you considered it? If not, I know that you will
No,
have to discuss it.
We are considering, Your Honor, the possibility of placing bets in betting stations only. Pinag-aaralan po namin pang kasalukuyan yon na kung halimbawa po imbis na dito ka tumaya sa iyong telepono, kayo'y kailangan pumunta na lang sa isang, para pong sa
Sir-
karera yung off-fronton.
Yeah.
So isa po sa tinitingnan namin yon. Ang tinitingnan po lang namin na konsiderasyon talaga yung ano yung mawawala sa merkado.